Hey, what's going on, guys? Here we have an assignment from C programming, which is asking us to write a C program that formats product information entered by the user. The item code can be any number between 100 and 999. Price is a dollar amount up to 9,999.99, and the date should be in month, date, year format. Okay. Now previously I made a video on this assignment, but I forgot to put these limits. I didn't do the limits for 100 and 999 and these kind of limits. I did it without it. Now here I'm going to do this one with the limit. Okay, here the sample input is given. This is the one we have to get from the user. The input from the user is, first one is item code, the second one is price, and the third one is we are going to get the date, month, date, and the year. Okay, now let's go ahead and declare the variables. And before you go for that, like here you have to notice one thing: the price is in float, right? Because 13.5 we have a decimal point, so we have to use a float. And then we can use like integer type of variable for item code and also for this month, day, and years. Now let's go ahead and do that. First I'm going to declare some variables. Let's start with integer type of variables. In integer I put code and also day, month, year. Day, month, year. And the next thing is we are going to declare float for price. Okay, the next thing is we have to ask, we are going to give the prompt to the user to enter the item code between 100 and 999. Enter item code between 100 and 999. And then the user is going to enter the number. We have to get the number. To get the number input, we have to use a scanf statement. Since this is an integer type of variable, we have to put %d, and whatever the value the user entering, we have to store in quote, comma, ampersand, and quote. Okay, now this is the first input from the user. Now we have to do the same, like if, for example, if the user enter some other number, we have to give an error message. So we have to do that also. To do that, I'm going to use an if statement. If the code is less than 100, or to do the or, we have to use the pipe sign, two pipe sign like this. Okay, let me paste it here. Two pipeline like this, and then code should be above. Okay, it should be, if it's less than 100 or above 999, it should give an error message. Okay, code is above 999, we have to give an error message. So let's go ahead and print the error message. Error, printf error, printf error \n. Okay, now we have given the error message. If the condition, then only we can get the number input within 100 and 999. That's what we want. Okay, now we have done the first thing. The next thing is we have to ask for the price. Let's use the same thing. And also here, for the price also we have a limit. I copy this one with the if statement and paste it right here and edit it. Okay, the second should be enter price between 0 and 999.99. That was the one given in the assignment. Okay, 9, it should be 9 right here, 99, and this is going to be the price, and the price is in float, so we have to put %f right here, and that should be stored in price. So we have to put price, And for this one, the condition is price is less than 0. If the price is less than 0 or above that 999.99, it should give an error message. So price is less than 0 or above the price is above 999.99, it should give an error message. So the same error goes right here. Okay, now we have done this part. Now the next thing is we have to ask for the date. So we have to give the next prompt. Enter printf statement. Enter the purchase date. Enter purchase date in the format of month, day, year. Okay, enter the format of this, and then we have to get the input from the users. We use scanf for the input, and all of them are integer type of variable. We have three things. We have month, date, and year. We have to put 3% d for that. 3% d, and the first one is month, so we put comma month, and the second one is day, and also we have to use ampersand always whenever we have variables. Ampersand month, and the second one is day, and the third one is year. Okay, now we have got the input of month, like the date. Now the next thing is, okay, now also for this one also we have to give an error message. For example, let's give a if statement for that. For this one, if month is less than 1, or let me copy this, or if the month is less than 1 or greater than 12, we can write it like this: greater than 12. Greater than 12. Okay, now, and the day should be between 1 to 31. And let me put another or right here. This is or, and then day should be 1 to 31. This one, day should be 1, and if it's greater than 31, it should print error message. And also another or, the year should be between 1 and 9,999. Year, if it's less than 1, or I have to put a 1 right here. If it's less than 1 or greater than 9,999, it should give an error message. So these are the conditions. Like if one of them are true, it's going to give us the error message. Okay, like it's going to get each of them, and okay, let's go and give the error message. Printf error and \n. That's it for this one. Now the next thing is, now we have to go and display whatever the value we have. So let's go for that. We have given the printf statement, so let's go ahead and display the final output. Printf statement in this one, first we are going to put the quote, and to leave a space I put a \t for tab, and then we have to print out the price, and then \t 2 times, purchase purchase date \n, and then we are going to printf and a sample line like this, because if you look at this one, we are going to create some line like this too. Okay, for that one I put dash 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 something like this, and then \t for the tab, and then dash dash dash, like it's like 8 times, and then \t, and then I put few of them, and then \n. Okay, now this is going to print out like this. Now finally we want to print out all the digits. Let's go ahead and print out that one. Printf and then %d. First we are going to print out the code, and then \t for the tab. Then we have to print out the price. Price is in the dollar amount. We put a $sign in front, and percentage. For the spacing I put a 7 right here, and then 0.2. We are going to print out this one in 2 decimal points, so 0.2 float, and then \t and percentage 0.2d, and then 0.2d percentage 0.4d. Okay, now let's go ahead and give what are the things we are going to print. First one we are going to print is quote, second one is price, and the third one is month, and the fourth one is day, and the fifth one is year. Okay, now I hope this one doesn't give any error. Let's go ahead and run this one. Okay, there's something wrong here. Okay, I just did this code again, and it's printing out perfectly right now. Let's go ahead and run this one. Here first I have to put 853, then 13.5, then whatever the month, for example, let's say 10/24/2010, and it's printing out like this. That's what we want, right? That's what we want. Now I have rewritten the code. I have explained everything. I put the link of this code in my, I put this one in my blogger, and I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and access this code. And it was it was giving some small error previously. Now it's perfect. Okay, and that's it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn C or C++ programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.